सावन का महीना, शादी बिना मुश्किल है जीना।
बट सावन यानी जुलाई का महीना is not about shadi, but it is about tax filing for our salaried professionals. So I'm sure a lot of us must have received those Form 16 emails, which we would have saved very safely to give it to someone who we know who does our taxes every year. So I'm really surprised as to how such an important topic is not part of our education system. But we are very easily and conveniently asked to remember the dates of Battle of Panipat. And how often have we used these dates of Battle of Panipat in our professional career? The Indian education system seriously baffles me. So anyways, today I'm going to be covering certain very basic points on tax filing. I'm not a tax consultant. I'm just speaking on the behalf of the experiences that I've collected. So if I've missed out something, or if you want to understand something in detail, please do mention it in the comment section. And of course, I make one personal finance video every week. So please do subscribe to the channel to get updates on a lot of current topics. So let's get today's video started. Okay, so the first thing that we need to understand while doing our taxes is the difference between financial year and assessment year. A lot of us mistake the two to be same. We couldn't be more wrong. The financial year and the assessment year are 1 year before and after each other. So if the financial year is 2021-22, the assessment year will be 2022-23. So the logic behind this is that the income that we've earned in 2021-22 will be assessed for taxation in 2022-23. So please make sure you note this while you do your taxes. The second point that we all need to understand is Form 16. So Form 16 is essentially a statement of all the payouts and deductions that are done by our employer. So if we are employed with an organization for a particular period, from April 1st to March 31st of the subsequent year, then the organization makes certain payments to us, which includes our salary and the components of our salary, including basic, HRA, LTA, and certain deductions, which includes our provident fund, our deductions related to tax deducted at source, and so on and so forth. So all these details are mentioned in Form 16. The third thing that I want to talk to you about is the dates for tax filing. The deadline for tax filing has been extended to September 30th, 2021. Normally this deadline is July 31st, but considering the pandemic situation, the Ministry of Finance has extended it to September 30th. The fourth point that I want to talk to you about today is the modes of tax filing. So a lot of us have various offline and online modes that we use to file our taxes. So while a lot of us depend on chartered accountants, a couple of us speak to our families, take help from friends to file our taxes, and a lot of us I know also do it themselves. But the whole intent of this video is to give you some gyan and make you a little bit more self-reliant about tax filing. Hence, because when we depend on other people, there could be a misrepresentation, or there could be certain a little bit of a confusion while filing taxes, which may lead to queries from the taxation department. To avoid this, we must all aim to do taxation by ourselves. There is also a very intuitive and simple tool that the Income Tax Department's portal has, which can be used for filing your taxes. So you just need your Form 16 and your TDS statements from all the accounts that you have, and of course you can very easily file your taxes. And the fifth and the last point that I want to talk to you about today is to consider all kinds of incomes while filing your tax. Please remember that Form 16 is only one part of the income that we've made in that particular year. So Form 16 refers to the money that we earned as salaries in that particular year. But a lot of us also have other incomes, income from other sources like rent or income from fixed deposits, income from certain savings account deposits, income from certain freelancing work that we might have done. So while filing our taxes, we need to make sure that all these incomes are considered and are inputted in the form that we are preparing to submit to the income tax department. So these were the 5 things that I wanted to speak to you about. In case you need clarity on any point that I've just mentioned, please do mention it in the comment section. If you did like the video, please click the thumbs up button and do subscribe to the channel if you found the content useful. This is Gayatri signing off. Please have a great day.